Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam error that says disconnect from VPN or proxies. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Show Hidden Icons. This will reveal any background applications running in your system tray. Once you see your VPN icon, right-click on it and select Disconnect. Although in my case, I've already disconnected my VPN, so this option won't appear active. However, it's important to verify this first, since Steam often blocks connections it detects as coming from a VPN. Next, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is the Windows icon that opens your main menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open your Windows settings panel where you can manage various system configurations. Once you're in settings, click on Network and Internet. This section controls all your connection settings and is crucial for resolving proxy-related issues. In the left panel, you'll see several options. Click on Proxy to access your proxy settings. Here, you need to look for the option that says Use a proxy server. Make sure this toggle is turned off, as Steam won't connect properly if a proxy is enabled. After ensuring the toggle is off, click Save to apply your changes. This step is essential because sometimes proxy settings can remain active even after disconnecting a VPN, and Steam's security system will detect this and block your connection. Now, open your Steam application. Once Steam launches, look at the upper left corner and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open Steam's configuration panel. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Downloads. This section manages how Steam handles game downloads and cache storage. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside this text, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Click on it, a confirmation dialog will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. Clearing the download cache removes temporary files that might be causing connection conflicts or errors with Steam servers. After clearing the cache, you need to fully exit Steam to ensure all changes take effect. Navigate to the bottom right corner again and click on Show Hidden Icons. Right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. This completely closes the application rather than just minimizing it to the background. Now you should restart your PC to refresh all network settings and ensure everything is properly reset. Additionally, restart your router as well. This step is particularly important because sometimes Steam flags an IP address from a VPN hosting range. Restarting your router may assign you a different public IP address, which can resolve the issue if your current IP was flagged by Steam's security system. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the Steam VPN or proxy error by clearing your proxy settings, refreshing Steam's cache, and obtaining a fresh IP address. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.